Wenzhou Sunray Technology Co Ltd. As a trade supplier, Sunray Technology Co Ltd. has many years industry experience, and it mainly operates in blue light glasses, sunglasses, reading glasses, and optical frames. Well equipped and with strong technical force enables it accepting OEM, ODM orders at home and abroad. Our company attend numerous trade shows over the world each year, such as MIDO, SILMO, Vision Expo East, Hong Kong Optical Fair, and etc. With unique design, high-end product, and reasonable price. Its products are well received by customers all over the world. Our company monthly supply is around 800,000 pairs, including 300,000 pairs optical frame, 400,000 plastic sunglasses, 50,000 pairs TR frames, 30,000 pairs acetate frames, and etc. And most importantly, it owns a team which is trained to offer all aspects of related service. From the beginning of its founding, our company adheres to the principle of quality first, customer foremost, and mutual benefit. Continue to provide first-class service for customers. Based on people-oriented, our company attracts outstanding talents constantly with consistent quality and innovative business ideas. We are hoping to stepping up our business continuously by sticking to our principle and improving our quality and performance continuously. We believe that one day our company will be known far and wide.